Hello, everyone, and welcome to morning coffee break. I guess you would call it because I can't. Joy is asleep, and I can't walk. I thought I heard the train earlier. I can't walk because there's a swollen place down there, and she wants to look at it before I walk. I think maybe I've been walking a lot more than what you just see in the video. I walk like What I do is I walk in like a circle around a big circle here when I don't walk up and down the driveway like in the videos. I did that at least 4 more times yesterday, so I might have done too much because when we changed my bandages, uh, there's a swollen place down there and it's in the area where the abscess was, so I'm afraid that we're afraid that it might be an abscess starting back up. So I can't walk until she looks at it to see if it's any worse or if it's getting better or the same. So it's a beautiful day. I think it's 47 the last I checked. Probably 20 minutes ago I checked. It's like 47. I think it's going to be a high of 69, so it'd be a decent day. So if I can't walk, I'm just going to sit here, get a little sun, and we'll listen to the bird song. Look out that way. Got my coffee. You can see why I come out here if I have anxiety, especially during the day. Well, at night in the summer, you'll hear, and I recorded it one time, you'll hear a lot of insects and stuff at night, and it sounds really amazing too. Sometime this summer, I'll record it out here a little bit. Yeah, I'm afraid that I may have been overdoing it some. I'm actually hoping that's what it was. I sure don't want to go back to the hospital or the emergency room, end up in the hospital. could go back to sleep out here. What are y'all having for dinner tonight? We're gonna have some of those Black Angus ground chuck hamburger patties that we got at Grocery Outlet. We're gonna have cheeseburgers and fries, I guess. Either fries or tater tots. They're really good. I don't care a whole lot for these frozen hamburger patties or turkey burgers. They never seem very fresh, you know. I mean, they're not. I mean, they're frozen, but about as fresh as frozen gets. I'd prefer to make a cheeseburger with a fresh, never frozen, you know, patty. Just seem to taste better. Congested again this morning. Birds sound great. It's a beautiful day today. Oh, I'm relaxed now. Well, everyone, I think I'm going to go in. I've got things to do. Hadn't had breakfast yet. And I'm trying to do a few things. I may do my walk later if everything looks okay. We'll just have to see, y'all. Please press that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I'll figure out something to do later on. We'll see how the day goes, everyone. God bless. Have a great one. Bye-bye.